Here are the 5 shortcuts for JavaScript code that you might not know earlier. First one is destructure. Extract values from object or arrays and assign them to variables. Here you can see we have a person object. Inside the object we have name and age. So basically we can get the name and age by using name is equal to person.name and person.age. But we have more better way to get that name and age. Simply we can use destructuring format to get the name and age easily from the person. You can see after we can just name and age is equal to person. This is the destructuring way to get the name and age. Second one is template literals. Use template literals instead of string concatenation for better readability and easier string manipulations. So here you can see we have name and age. If we want to concate string and name, I mean the dynamic variable, we can use the plus operator. But we have more better solution for that. We can use template literals, string and dynamic variable inside the template literals. Third one is arrow function. We all know how important arrow function is. In the before example, you can see add function return a plus b. And we have to write the function and return keyword to achieve this. But if we are using the arrow function, we don't have to write function and return keyword to get the same functionality that we have in the before examples. That's the beauty of arrow functions. Fourth one is spread operator. If we want to combine the two arrays, array 1, array 2, we have to use concate function to combine these two arrays. But we have a more dynamic solution for that. We can use the multiple array using the split operator. In the after example, you can see using the split operator, we combine these two arrays in one single array. So this is the feature of split operator. Last one is short circuit evaluation. In the before example, here you can see get name taking one parameter which is the users. We are conditionally checking if user exists, that time we are returning the user.name, otherwise it will be the default. But so in the after example, you can see we are achieving the same functionality without using the if conditions. So we checking if user exists, that time we are returning user.name, otherwise it will be the default. So this is the 5 shortcuts you should know if you are a JavaScript developer. Thank you.